Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to discuss how to integrate any landing page to any email marketing tool. Obviously, as soon as the lead is generated, we need to start engaging them. There are two ways to engage them. One is drip marketing, and then we have dynamic drip marketing, which we will discuss in the future videos. But first we need to think about how we are going to take this lead which got generated and take it to our email marketing tool in real time. And real time integration is really important whenever you want to engage the leads, because people are the most active as soon as they subscribe to your email list. So they are looking for mails and they are looking for content, and even if you are going to take one day to start sending content to them, they are going to lose interest and they will not be engaged that much. You might not be even be able to make them remember that they signed up for something from you. So what I will do is that I will show you how to do integration with Unbounce, and then I will show you how to do integration with other tools as well. So Unbounce is the landing page which captures the leads, and Unbounce has a set of internal integrations. Any landing page tool will have a set of internal integrations, but we need more integrations which might not be available here, right? So if you are using a custom email marketing tool and if it is not listed here, you need to take out the data. So most of the landing page tools will give you something called webhooks, and webhook is basically a technology where data will be posted to a particular URL, and this URL will capture that data and send it to an email marketing tool, or sometimes the email marketing tool will capture the data directly. So you can hire a developer to develop a webhook for you, but then you need to run a script in the server, and the server needs to be live at all the time, and you need to maintain the server and things like that. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you how to do an integration with Zapier, and Zapier is something that gives you access to webhooks and it can capture data from webhooks as well. So let me just go ahead and log in into Zapier. So I have logged in into Zapier account, and you can go ahead and sign up for a Zapier account for a 14-day free trial, and it does not even need a credit card to sign up. And then after, they have plans starting from, I guess, around $50 a month, which is great value for money, because even if you are trying to run the script yourself in your own server, it is going to cost even more than what Zapier charges you. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and click on Make a Zap, and here I will create a webhook URL. So if I search for webhook, then there is something called webhooks by Zapier, and I have to do this catch hook. I will skip this step, and now I can copy this to the clipboard. So here I will go ahead and enter this webhook. We already have two Zapier URLs here, so I will add one more webhook. So this is the webhook, and you have to map the form field to the right fields here, like name is name, email is email, ref is ref. So if you want something to be different posted on the webhook, you can change it here, but I will just leave it like this for now, and now I will click done. So it says that we have successfully added the webhook. So what will happen is that whenever there is a new lead generated on Unbounce, Unbounce is going to take the effort of posting the data to this webhook URL in real time. So what I will do, I will just click next in Zapier. So what Zapier will do is that Zapier will look for a new form submission so that it can configure this particular Zap for the first time. So I will just go to learndigitalmarketing.com, and here I will just sign up for a dummy account. So this is what I have signed up for. So here you can see that Zapier has picked up the data because Unbounce has posted it, and this should be the lead that we just generated. So here you can see dbusy@gmail.com. So that is what we signed up for, and now I can click continue. So Zapier basically works in a way where you have trigger and an action step. The trigger is something which triggers the entire workflow, and the action is where you send the data to. So there are many apps integrated with Zapier, and here if I want to send it to my email marketing tool, then I could enter drip, and then I can set up an integration with Drip, login into Drip, authenticate it, and the data will be sent directly. Or I can even use Google Sheets. So I will show you how Google Sheets work, because I also want to show you how multi-step Zap works. So here I would say that I want to create a new spreadsheet row, and then I have to give access to one of my accounts here. So let's say I give access to this account, and here I have to select the spreadsheet and the worksheet. So if I drop down here, then I will be able to see the spreadsheets that I already have. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and create a new spreadsheet, and then we will come back to this step. So I will go to my Google Drive. So we will create a new Google Sheet here, and we will just title it as Email Marketing Mastery Demo. So here I will go ahead and put the column headers. So when you are doing an integration from Zapier to the Google Sheet, you need to have column headers. So I will just say name and email. So now we need to find out this sheet. So sometimes it does not show up because we just created the sheet. So what we need to do is that delete the entire step and rebuild it from the scratch. So now I will select Google Sheets. Then I will click on create spreadsheet row. Here I will connect this Google account. And here in the spreadsheet, now we should be able to see the latest spreadsheet. So here you can see Email Marketing Mastery Demo, and the worksheet will be sheet 1, and then we have to map it accordingly. So the name will be the name which was taken from the landing page, and in the email column we need the email which was generated in the landing page. So now I can click continue and click create and continue. So now this Zap has been set up. So now I can click finish, and so this is Unbounce to Google Sheets. So this is just a sample integration on how to send data to Google Sheets. I like transferring data to Google Sheets because if I am running a campaign and if leads are being generated in real time, I would know that what are the leads that are being generated, so that I will be able to see. So this I like to do, and I will show you multi-step Zap. I will show you how to transfer data to your email marketing tool shortly. But now let's just see if this particular integration is working properly. So if I go to learndigitalmarketing.com, and here I will be able to go ahead and let's say Deepak 2, and let me just type in a different email ID. So by the way, if you are using a Gmail account, you can use the same email ID with @googlemail.com. It actually comes to the same inbox, it is the same account, but when you are signing up somewhere, if you want an extra account, you can put googlemail.com, and it's basically like a new email ID with the same email ID. So then I can click on get your free lessons. So now you can see that the integration is working in real time. As soon as I submitted the landing page data here, this name and email ID has appeared here. So this is how the Zapier integration works. So now what I can do a multi-step Zap. I can even pass this data to Drip or any other email marketing tool. So we can have one trigger and two action steps as well. So if I go ahead and click on Unbounce, so Unbounce was the trigger, I'm sorry. So we need to send it to Drip, which is our account, and here we have to create or update subscriber, and I have already connected the account. If you don't have the account connected, you just need to go ahead and take the API key from your email marketing tool and put it back here. It's mostly a simple step. So I will select the account inside Drip, and so here it works similarly to the previous step. We just need to map it accordingly, and we need to map it from which step we need to take. So we will take it from the first step itself. So here email address will be this one, and custom fields, I can put a custom field which is the format that I use inside Drip, and here I have to put the name as first name. So tags will be email marketing mastery test. So I'm going to pass this tag as well to Drip. So continue and click create and continue and click finish. So now I will switch on this app again. So what I want to show you is that now I will show you that I will create a new submission, and then it will go to the Google Sheet, and the same data will go to the Drip account as well. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and get a temporary email ID. So if I search for temporary email ID, there are plenty of providers for temporary email ID. So let me just try one of these solutions. This site does not look too good. I will try maybe Mailinator. So if you just want a temporary email ID and you don't want to go ahead and create a brand new email ID, then this is helpful for testing it. So this email ID I am taking, and let's go and sign up with this email ID just for testing, and name I will put as Deepak3. So now I am clicking this. So the Zapier Zap is now taking the data and putting it on Google Sheets. Now you can see that this data has come to Google Sheets in real time. And now if I go to Zapier, I can even see it in the task history. So what I will do, I will go to task history, and here you will be able to see that this particular Zap was executed. So the data which was sent, so here you can see thumbbeauty@mailinator.com, which is the email ID that we just used to sign up, and this data has come in and it has fed into Google Sheets, and then it has fed it into Drip as well. So now what I will do, I will go back to Drip and see if this particular email ID has been updated. So sometimes Drip takes some time to update this. So what I will do, instead of searching it here, I will just go to subscribers, and inside subscribers I will select email, and email equals this. So if I click refresh, then I will be able to see my email subscriber here. So you can see that we entered data on the landing page, and the data has come inside Drip through the landing page. So here I have different workflow and automation setup, which I will explain in the future videos. But now you can see at least the data is being transferred by Zapier, and this is how integrations work. So basically what you can do here is that you can go back to Zaps, and let me check where. So this is the Zap that we just created. I go back to the Zap, and here you will be able to see that I can add one more action step, or here I can enter any email marketing tool that I want. So if it is MailChimp, we have MailChimp, you can see that here. We have MailerLite, we have MailJet, we have Aweber, we have ConvertKit. So we have pretty much any email marketing tool. So the good thing about Zapier is that you can use Zapier and you don't need to hire a coder or a developer and run a server to do all these integrations. You can just use Zapier to set up these integrations, and especially if you are running a digital marketing agency and if you want to set up all this for your clients, then you can tell them that you are going to handle the integration yourself and basically use Zapier for all the data flow within the client's account and the client's email tools, etc. So this is how the integration works. And what I want to do is that similarly I want to show you how to do an integration from the payment gateway to Google Sheets to your email marketing tool, and that I will show you in another video. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and try out Zapier. You can sign up for a free MailChimp account or a MailerLite account. You can sign up for a free Zapier account. Then you have Gmail account, which also comes with Google Drive and Google Sheets. So pretty much everything is free. Go ahead and try it out. And once you try it out, you will get the confidence on how this entire flow works. And if sometime in the future there is a requirement for doing such an integration for your employer or for your client, you will be able to just go ahead and do it very fast. So there are also some features like filters inside Zapier, so I can do some filtration. So I will teach you about that in the future videos as well. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.